Let's learn about shapes. Oh no! Where's all of these shapes are? Let's see in this. Let's see in this eggs. Where are they?
Let's open it up.
I found one egg.
It's a purple egg. Let's see what's inside the purple egg.
It's a heart.
It's a heart. Oh, look at that, Vihaan. It's a purple heart.
I think it's inside this egg. Wow, it's a triangle.
It's a yellow
Triangle.
triangle.
I think the triangle goes over here. Nope. It goes over here. Nope. Maybe it goes over here. No. Over here, no. Over here.
Yes, it's a yellow triangle.
Oh. It's a rectangle.
It's a red rectangle. Wow.
I'm so excited. This is so heavy. What is this?
I think it's a circle. Is it a circle?
It's not.
It's not? What is it? It's a...
It's star.
It's the orange star.
I don't know what's inside this. It's so heavy. Yeah. What is
Ooh. I think it's a triangle. Is it a triangle?
it? No.
No?
No, I think it's a heart or this or this or this. It's a circle.
Oh, it's a circle?
Yes.
It's a green pretty circle.
Hey friends, do you know what that is?
No, let's find out.
Ta-da!
It's a
Pink square.
pink square.
This is a square, a circle, a triangle, a rectangle, a heart, and a star. If you want to watch more of my videos, then subscribe to my channels. Bye bye. See you later.